For 50 years, the Kips Bay Decorator Showhouse has designed what's next in design. To celebrate its golden anniversary, more than 20 visionary designers reimagined a Greenwich Village townhouse in just 8 weeks, transforming 9,000 square feet and 6 stories into a living work of art. Scenic wallpapers unfold like murals. Chandeliers and sconces cast light like jewelry, and every doorway reveals another world. A Parisian-inspired dressing room, a moody speakeasy, a dining room adorned with dazzling scenic wallpaper. This isn't just a show house. It's 50 years of imagination, craftsmanship, and purpose, all under one extraordinary roof. So come with us as Homeworthy gives you an exclusive look inside the show house's gorgeous rooms. To watch the full episode ad-free, scan the QR code or click join below. You're watching Homeworthy, where we believe every home has a story.
Hi, my name is Vincent Wolf, and we are in Kips Bay for its 50th year, my 5th time. And Homeworthy, I've done tours of my loft in New York, and my work has appeared there. So welcome, and let me show you around. The inspiration to my room was the Peacock Room, which was done by Whistler at the turn of the century for a collector in England, and it's now at the Smithsonian Institute. So some of the elements that I have done in the room are like this chest, which is an inlaid Indian with a collection of Japanese bronzes. And in the room, I have no flowers. All the flowers are Redouté, Baron de Meyer, Maplethorpe, or images like this one. So I was trying to really give it a different slant. We've done the floor painted to look like a rug in the deep watercolor and the beige, which repeats again in the ceiling. The walls are all in a wonderful straw gold-backed, which really gives it a wonderful glow. In the seating area, there's a Royer chair pulled up to an Italian mid-century, and a wonderful little sort of intimate area where you can sit and use the computer or dine. And all throughout are objects that are in gold with a shimmer, which is what I tried to do to reflect what the Peacock Room was all about. And wonderful Chinese stainless steel chairs, a pair of them that sit in front of the window. You know, people ask me what are the challenges in the space. And there weren't any real major challenges except for items that I was counting on and got sold, or fabrics that got discontinued. But in general, we only have 8 weeks, so whatever challenges you get, you're going to have to deal with them real fast. When I started in the late 70s, I just fell into interior design, but my family, I'm Cuban, my family in Cuba were in construction. So I was always around plans and seeing buildings going up and things being sort of created. So I think that's what planted the seed in my mind for what I do now. Being part of Kips Bay is really amazing because 14,000 people come through. Your work is being seen and juxtaposed to other designers and what they're doing. It's really, Kips Bay is considered the primo show house in this country. And it has 50 years of history to it. And besides Kips Bay being around as a show house for 50 years, but Kips Bay Boys and Girls Clubs take kids that are maybe not fortunate enough to experience a lot of positive things, and they involve them in it. They show them, they teach them, they sponsor them. And I think that that is really Yes, the show house is wonderful, but what they do with the money that they raise here is really just such an important gift to our society.
Thanks for joining us inside the 2025 Kips Bay Decorator Show House. Stay tuned for more unforgettable spaces on Homeworthy. Thanks for watching. Be sure to go to homeworthy.com for exclusive content, shopping guides, and so much more.